Hi guys, yeah, my name is Femi and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I'm very excited to bring another very exciting video to you. In the past videos, I've talked about how you can scale as a software engineer, how you can earn more, how you can have side hustles, how you can make yourself better. So on this channel, I'm focusing on how you can actually earn more and become a better software engineer. I don't teach you how to code. There are many other YouTube channels you can learn how to code from. But I realize so many software engineers are not earning as high as they should earn. They are not optimizing their full earning potential. So I like to address and I like to show you how you can earn more as a software engineer, how you can build a sustainable income, how you can invest, how you can build your portfolio, how you can be very comfortable and live very comfortable as a software engineer. The idea behind today's video is to highlight why many software engineers are not earning as high as they should, because you find out that many software companies employ software engineers. These software engineers build products. This product becomes the main component of that company. But the software engineers who are building this product are not earning so much. Why is that happening? And how can you earn so much as a software engineer? The truth is, the person who earns the most is the person who brings the idea and who is able to turn the idea into a product and who is able to also make profit from a product. This is how people earn in the software ecosystem. First of all, you need to have an idea that solves a real problem. Second, you need to bring the team together that will build a product that will solve the problem. Then thirdly, you need to know how to monetize the product and get profit from selling your product or selling a solution to the problem you're using. So many software engineers are not actually the people who bring the idea. They are not the people who turn the product into profit. They just form a small component in the whole ecosystem, which is turning the problem into a product, or making a product that can solve the problem. So many software founders and many big software founders who don't even know how to write these codes that you write are making more money than you are, because they know how to identify a problem, they know how to put a team together that will build a product to solve a problem. They also know how to monetize the product and get profit from it. That's why they earn the most. That's why they control how much you earn. They come to you who is the main stakeholder in that ecosystem or in that cycle, but they don't pay you so much because they know that they are the one making the investment, they are the one taking the risk. So before software engineers start earning high, they need to start knowing their worth in the ecosystem. They need to start knowing their worth in the software life cycle. As a software engineer, I encourage you to start finding solutions to problems of your own. Start identifying your own problems, start identifying problems around you, start building products to solve problems around you. That way you can have more control. That way you can determine how much you earn, because you have more stake in it, because you'll be making investment, you'll be talking to people, you know how to do every other thing, you hire people, you get people to do marketing for you. You have more control, you have more stake. But if your only role is to just come and write code and build a product for a company, you won't get so much, because they'll only pay you a fraction of what they are earning and what the potential is. So one of my dreams is to see more software engineers become founders, and this can happen through effective partnership. You need to know the areas that you need assistance or you need partnership. If your strength is not in marketing, if your strength is not in sales, if your strength is not in design, you need to know how to reach out to people who have strength in these areas and partner with them, make them co-founders and build a product with them, sell it with them, and you have more control, you have more revenue, you have more stake, and you have more money in that way. If you put your whole mind on working for people and earning a fraction of your potential, the problem is you are easily dispensable. The day they get tired of you, they can just lay you off and employ someone else to continue a legacy you built for them. So as software engineers, you need to know what your potential is. You need to know that you on your own, you can build a company. You can build a product that solves a real problem. You can have people help you market it. You can even use from your small money and do marketing. That way you own more stake. But I don't advise that you own a company alone. It's good to have other stakeholders join you on that journey, because it's easier for a company to grow if other people have so much to benefit from it, so that they can invest their resources, they can invest their finance, they can also invest their time to see that your vision becomes a reality and to see that your goal is being actualized. But you can get key stakeholders, you can get key partners You can get people to invest in your company. You can easily pitch to investors. You can easily write your pitch to investors, write the business plan, apply for grants. But that way you know that it is your company and you have so much stake. Unlike just working for someone who employs you to build a major component of their system but pays you a small fraction. Your founder may not know anything about software development. Your founder may not know anything about writing code. But because they're able to identify a talent in you, they're able to see that yes, you can build a product that can solve a problem. So how about you become that person who learns how to identify problems and bring solutions to those problems? So as a software engineer, I highly encourage you to train yourself to identify problems around you. When you see a problem around you, ask yourself, how can I solve this problem with technology? How can I use my skill as a software engineer to solve this problem? That way you become more valuable to your community, and in return you get more revenue because you're solving a problem for people who are willing to pay you for the solution you bring in. On this channel, I try to encourage people and I try to teach people how they can increase their earning potential as software engineers, how they can move from earning a fraction to owning a major stake in the product that they build. So in the next few videos, I'm going to be sharing stories of software engineers who built products and the product became very big companies and they own major stake in that company. I'll be sharing stories of companies like Flutterwave, stories of companies like Paystack, that their founders are software engineers who were able to identify a problem, who were able to build a solution using technology, who were able to identify key partners to help them scale their products. And today they have become really, really big companies. They were able to build these big companies because they were able to identify a problem around them. They were able to build a solution using technology to solve the problem. And they were also able to bring on board partners to help them scale their product. And today they are really, really big companies. But from today, I want you to know that you have what it takes. You have what it takes. You have what is required. You have the skills. You have the energy. You have the tenacity to build a product of your own. You have the energy to find a problem and to find a solution to the problem. You have all it takes. You've been doing this for people. You can do this for yourself. You can build a product for yourself. You can scale your own product. You can build a company from scratch and watch it grow. It can be a very hard journey, but it's also a very beautiful process to build something from scratch and watch it grow. It's a beautiful experience to watch people use your product. It's a very beautiful experience to watch your product solve people's problems. And that whole journey can be very interesting. And if you are courageous, if you just kill your fear, if you can kill your fear, if you're courageous, you can also do this thing. A whole lot of people have done it and they have been successful at it. The truth is you might meet some setback, you might meet some roadblock, but with the constant learning, with constant practice, with constant mentorship, you will learn how to overcome these roadblocks, because all the companies you see today, at some point they had roadblocks, they had setback. In the stories I'll be sharing with you, I'll be telling you how some of these companies had setback that could crash them. But because of grit, because of the tenacity, and because of how they believe in their idea, they were able to continue building that product. So I hope that we can go on this journey together. I'm also building products of my own. I'm also building products that will scale. And I hope that you join me on this journey and build your own product that will scale, that will sell. And I believe that you will do well and you will sell. People will use your product because you have what it takes. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.